Hello friends, welcome back to an episode of NailGuyTV. Today we'll be painting a scene inspired by Bob Ross, and I figured to go with it, I'll try to talk like him, but I highly doubt that's going to happen, at least not for too long. So, we want to start out with laying out our background and slowly adding to the foreground, right? Here I've added little mountains, and they can have a little bit of fun snow on them. Everyone likes a little bit of snow. And to make them feel real, we want to add texture to it. So start out by just putting it straight white, and then using your brush, slightly tapping it, giving it texture. At the base of the mountains here, we will have some of our pine trees, and as you can tell, as I get closer to the foreground, I'm using darker shades of blue just to give it that illusion that it is in fact closer to us. And here in the most forefront position, I have the darkest shade of blue, and I'm gonna draw in some pine trees, okay, and maybe some little animals live in those trees. Who knows? It's whatever your imagination wants. Okay, we just know they're happy little trees. Once we've got that, of course we want to add some snow to those as well. I'm just going to add the snow on one side of the pine tree here, and it gives us the illusion that the sun is coming from one side and the other side is hiding in the shadows a little bit. That's okay. Maybe it's a little shy snow. Alright, so we can add our final touches, and those are going to be our happy little friends here. They're going to be birds. The same birds that you would paint in elementary school. So those nice little easy V's. We can put on our top coat and finish off the nail. Remember to click the thumbs up button and the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Have a great day.